How to get a free Lyft ride. Let's get started. First up, launch your Lyft app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of rewards. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of add promo code. Lyft often offers promotional codes to new users or during special promotions. These codes can provide discounts or credits towards your ride fare. Keep an eye out for these codes in advertisements, emails, or social media promotions. Link your account to Lyft Rewards, a loyalty program that offers perks and benefits to frequent Lyft users. Depending on your membership level and usage, you may earn ride credits or discounts as part of the rewards program. You can also refer Lyft to friends and get a discount. Each time a new friend signs up with your referral code and takes a ride, you'll earn ride credits. If you have a gift card, you can enter it in the add promo code section to redeem it for a discount on a ride. Occasionally, Lyft runs special promotions or partnership offering free or discounted rides for specific events, holidays, or collaborations with certain brands or organizations. Keep an eye on Lyft official communications for announcement about these promotions. And that's a wrap for this video. These are the best ways to get a free Lyft ride. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.